one.
What's
going on, everybody? Jared here with Stand Tall Auto Reviews. We have Savannah trying to take our intro today. But today, we are going to check out the Festival of Speed. Yes, this is being posted. This is the intro officially. We're going to check out the Festival of Speed. I'm going to try to do a little POV, see how it works. It may be good, it may be bad. I don't know, but we're going to do it. She thinks I'm not posting this. I am posting this. It's too late. So let's go ahead and get this thing started. All right, so we're out here. Hopefully the audio is good. I know there's a little wind, so you might hear a little wind noise, but you can see we got some radicals over there. We got a lot of cars lined up all over the place. Savannah helped me film or get set with filming. Hello.
Hi.
Yep, so there's Atlanta Motorsports Park. They have their carts and stuff, and there's a lot of people, and they have a lot of enforcements on parking, so hopefully the car does not get towed because, you know, for some reason they enforce that even though this place is busy. But as you can see, I mean, there's a ton of people, a ton of cars. You got a GT4 RS, you got a Huracan STO. There's just so much. I'm gonna get a better look at these real quick. I might be able to get a video of a GT4 RS for you guys soon. I'm gonna be working on that one. Absolutely love this car. Huracan STO. We'll love to get a video on one of these too one day. But yeah, as you can see, it is just busy. And this is just one of the side lots, so we'll keep walking around and getting more videos as we go around the place. All right, so this is closer to the showcase lot, as I call it. I do know there's a 918 over here, which is really sick, and we'll get some of that for you. It's another GT4 RS. It's crazy busy, and I hope you guys can hear me. We're gonna walk down now. It's so funny too, the amount of people that look at me like I'm crazy because I have this thing on. They're like, what is this guy doing? I'm trying to make it, okay? I'm trying to make it on YouTube. That's what I'm doing. They can hate all they want. There we go, we got a Maybach right there. There you go, look at that minivan over there. Trash cans? Are you talking about the Cybertrucks? Yeah, we're not the biggest fans of Cybertrucks. Okay, not too bad. In here's where the 19 is and stuff, so I guess we'll go in there. Alright, so this is the central lot, I believe, which is where all like the main showcase stuff is. The 918 is here. All right, so this right here, 1 of 10, not common at all. Super cool car. Absolutely amazing ride. Okay, so I don't know if anyone can hear me, but it's super hot, so we had to get shade over here. Pretty cool cars in here. I'm trying to get what I can. The audio might suck, so I made to put music over this, but it's hot, isn't it? Yeah, we kind of gave up out there. It's October in Georgia, and it's still terrible. Don't get it. But we're gonna try to get some of the cars out there and stuff. We may have to get food, but we're gonna try to get more what we can. Okay, so we had to come get food. We're inside a Marlowe's Tavern. Never had it in my life. Basically, I'm still getting over a cold. I don't have it anymore, but I'm getting over it. And I am pretty shaky right now. So I'm gonna get food, and we're hungry, and we'll let you know if this place is any good or not. So we're now at a table. Hopefully this place is pretty good. I got a steak. I know this is not auto review content, this is life content, but I'm trying to do a little bit more of different stuff, so we'll see how this goes, and we plan to get more cars. There's still a ton around here, and I plan to get some ice cream too, so it'll be pretty good. I'll let you know how it goes. Alright, so it's super loud here, but we just finished at Marlowe's Tavern. It was pretty good. I'll give it a good rating. Never been before, but pretty good. So if anyone from Marlowe's is watching, you did a good job. But I gotta go check out some cars. I'm not eating anymore, so let's go check out some cars. Yeah. All right, so making our way down. We got a Cybertruck out here. We got a Porsche right there, not bad. There's a lot of people here. A lot of people. Like, this is super busy. I came here for the past 2 years and I do not remember it being this busy at all. So this is definitely different. We got some nice stuff in here. We actually have over there a nice yellow Viper, which reminds me of the Horizon 1 cover. And I absolutely love that. That was one of my favorite games, pretty much of all time. Got some McLaren, some Porsches. Nice BMW right there. Man, there's just so many crazy things out here. But that Viper, ooh, I love that thing. Absolutely love that thing. It looks just like the one from the Horizon 1 cover. That's crazy. Wow. That looks so good. That's definitely packed though. I mean, you got such a variety of stuff. You got all the supercars and you got things like the Nissan over here. You got some of the classical stuff out here. I mean, there's just so much, and that's what makes this car show so cool. And it's in a great area. This spot is nice. All right, walking, and we found this beauty right here. It is a GT3, and it looks amazing. Look at this interior real quick. It's got like the plaid going on. Oh, that looks just awesome. And it's a manual. That's also a sweet touch. This thing is amazing. And there's a dog over there, Savannah just pointed out, so we'll get it too. That is amazing. Absolutely amazing.
It's amazing, guys.
It's amazing, what she said. We're on the other side too now, just checking it out. There's a sweet RX-7 over here. Absolutely love it. It is stock, which is just, it's amazing. It's stock, which is sick. I want to get closer. I want to get some more close-ups of some of these cars for y'all. Here we go. It's really difficult because this is a very busy event, so we're trying to do what we can, but the interior, sweet, it's red. I'll try to get it from here for y'all. And overall, it's pretty good. A lot of C8s, that's very common now. All right, so I just gave a lesson on rotaries, so she now understands why that's so cool. We'll go ahead and move on and try not to get hit by people because there's just so many. I know I've said it a lot and I sound a little repetitive, but it's amazing. That's sweet, the Chevelle, love it. There's just some all-around good stuff here. And what do we got right here? It's like a drag Mustang. Yep, that's what it is. Like a 90s drag Mustang. Pretty sweet, I like it. Got a nice Camaro. Got some classic Corvettes, which is sweet. A nice break from the C8s that we see non-stop. I wish I could see more C6s. There's not many here. I think the C6 personally is my favorite Corvette generation. Just a personal opinion. Some people will say C7 is better, but I like the C6 the most. But yeah, we're just filming, rolling, trying to show, you know, the crowd and how dense the crowd is. It's just a packed event. Yeah, that's pretty sweet. They modified those doors. And that guy is getting a haircut in the back of the truck. That is actually pretty sick. Hey, I need a haircut. But I wouldn't do it in front of everybody. No way. Wow. Alright, so I found another GT3 and I love this gold color. I love the interior and I want to buy one. Can we please make my dreams come true of getting one of these? Yes. I don't have money. Unbelievable. You see this, guys? This is why we spend so much money right here. Because advertising like that. Wow. Wow. Alright, so I was walking looking and I found this. Unbelievable. I never thought I'd see one of these. And here it is, along with the 4-seater Koenigsegg over there. Just beautiful. We have a P1 down there. I heard there's a Bugatti here. I don't know where it is though, but I heard there is one. But this thing is just insane. Absolutely insane. Wow. This is just absolutely insane. Wow. Hopefully I got some good shots of those two cars. It was kind of hard because there were so many people, and you know, when you're talking to yourself, they think you're talking to them. You get stared at a lot, so hopefully I got some stuff. But that's sick right there. Apparently there's a Bugatti. I think I've mentioned this. There's a bear. We found a bear before a Bugatti. That's insane. I actually want to check the store out. I heard the store's pretty cool. Anyways, yes, we can go look there after. Apparently there's a Bugatti. I want to find it, so I'm looking for it. As soon as I find it, I will show you. I don't know what kind of Bugatti. I've only seen one before, so it'll be my second one, but it'll be neat to see. So we're gonna go find it, and we're gonna show it, and we're gonna get stared at by some more people. So I'm beginning to wonder if I missed the Bugatti, if it already left, or if it just wasn't here at all. Because I feel like it would have been back where we just were. So there's still some cool stuff over here. GTR, love that. That's another car I'd love to get one day. Maybe one day we'll make it. Yeah, there's some cool stuff. There's a GT over there. That's absolutely sick. More Porsches, Ferraris. There's a lot of Porsches and a lot of Ferraris here. That's for sure. That GT is sweet in there. It's got an award. Obviously it deserves to. The GT is a great car. Got a Bentley right there. More Porsches, Aston Martin, and an SX. Some really nice stuff down the line. Hey, he's pretty happy to be in the video. Hopefully he'll subscribe. Yeah, I got some pretty good stuff though. That looks good. I love that build. And the best part, it feels good over here. So we're not burning up like we were out there, which is definitely a plus. Then you got the hotel over here that a lot of people stay at with a ton of supercars parked up at it. Alright, well I guess that's the end of it. If I find anything else pretty cool, I'll film it. Other than that, we'll go to some sort of outro, I guess. So I mentioned being dumb, but apparently I just cannot see because I found the Bugatti. It is a Veyron, and I have never seen a Veyron before in person, so this is actually really sick. Unbelievable. Wow. I've only seen a Chiron, or Chiron, however you want to say it, so this is sick to see. And a Mercy Longhorn right next to it. That's pretty sick. I like this. Okay, so we are officially done. We did our walk around. We saw all the cars we wanted to see. We got some content. Hopefully it's good and the audio is fine. And yeah, we got to get out, so it's pretty cool. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this little POV video. The next one is going to be a pretty fun one. It's coming up. It's a little bit of a surprise. I wasn't even expecting it myself, but it came up. And do you have anything before we leave?
Peace out.
Yeah. All right. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, please. Like, please. Share, please. Let's get somewhere. We're going to get there. Peace out.